Hey guys, welcome on Onkar Edu Dot. Today we are going to discuss financial market. Financial market is divided into two: money market and capital market. Money market is known as market for short-term investments, and capital market is known as for long-term investment. Money market is the main aim of the money market is to lending and borrowing. Lender of money market is RBI, commercial bank, sahukars, mahajans, and indigenous bankers etc. Borrower of the money bank is government of India, state government, local bodies, and common man. So here we talk about the money market. So money market is divided into two form: organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector having the banking sector and some market where call money, treasury bills, CDs, and CPs we are going to discuss. So here call, call money market. So and treasury bills. So treasury bills is the only issued by the government of India, and treasury bill is only purchased by RBI. So here with the diagram we represent it, and you have to mention this diagram in your exams. So here the treasury bill, government agency issued to RBI, and RBI it where the banks and bonds. Banks issues the bonds, and CDs are the certificate of deposits which can be break, and FD are the fixed deposit which cannot be break, and CPs are the commercial papers minimum 50 lakh limits, and to connect low investor to high investment, Standard Charter, old foreign bank. And unorganized sector is the NBFIs, matlab non banking financial institutes, and money lender where the divided into the two: sahukars and mahajans. Indigenous bankers are the coastal area banks. And now we talk about the capital market. Capital market is divided into the two: gilt age market and the corporate security market. And in the gilt age market we are going to discuss what is gilt market, so also known as the golden market. This market is fully related with the government securities. And corporate security market, the primary market, divided into two: primary market and secondary market. In primary market, market for a new issues, example IPO, initial public offer. And in secondary market, market of outstanding securities, share, debentures, right issues, also known as stock market. So here we discuss about the share, equal portion of the company's nominal capita, and PS divided into PS and ES, preference share and equity shares. In preferential, dividend is fixed and no voting right have, and in equity shares, dividend not fixed and have voting rights. Debentures, so debentures depend on the fixed interest rate. And right issues, company ask their old customer to buy share. And mutual funds is divided into SC and CE, sell and buy anytime and sell after maturity. And stock market and is stock exchange 24 now 23 and famous SCBSC. Stock exchange are the BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, and HSC. Blue chip companies, the top company of the BSC and SC, and they depend on market capitalization. And bull and bear are the symbol of the Sensex index of sensitive stock exchange. NSE, SC, Nifty 50 circuit allow 1 hours and 10% increase 22,000 upper circuit, and 10% decrease 80,000 lower circuit. Thank you friend, I hope you get some clarity about these terms. And for further updates, subscribe, share, and like our channel.